Hi, I'm David. I'm one of EatApp co-founder. And today the story I would like to share is how we became a global SaaS company. And so this happened actually with COVID. After COVID, we started realizing that not only restaurants in the Middle East needed our table management software, and that actually restaurants all over the globe were trying to solve the same problems. And so this is where we're starting selling our product all across the globe. And right now I'm very happy to say that we are selling our product in 42 countries globally. And this would have not been possible without our amazing team. Our team is now more than 50 colleagues from 18 different nationalities. And I'm also quite super happy to say that we just reached men and women parity very recently. So congrats to everyone for making this dream of becoming a global SaaS company successful.